days later.
Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Steven Espaniola, and on this channel we cover a book called the He Mele Aloha book, and basically it's a collection of Hawaiian music, 300 or so Hawaiian songs. It's a great book, but it doesn't have a lot of the notation in it, so a lot of people don't really know, unless you grew up with Hawaiian music, how these songs go. We're gonna tackle one of my favorite songs called Mele O Lānaʻi. One of my favorite versions of the song, you can hear it in the background, is by a gentleman by the name of Peter Ahia. Peter Ahia, along with Val Kepilino, who wrote this song, were actually both in Auntie Gino Keawe's backing band, so a little bit of Hawaiian history there. And we're just gonna go ahead and dive right into the song. It is more of an intermediate song. Don't be intimidated by that though, but it is a little bit more difficult than a lot of the music we've been covering so far. Chords are D, okay, G, and we have A7. Okay, for the vamp, which we're going to need for this song, we're actually going to need E7. Okay, and that complex rhythm that I told you about before, go ahead and take it slow. You know, you don't have to go full blast at first or full speed at first, okay? And that rhythm is up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Up, down, 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 up, down, up. And we're gonna go ahead and take the song a little slow. We're gonna go ahead and dive right in right now because there's a lot of ground to cover. I'm gonna do 2 lines at a time for each verse. So there's 4 verses, and I'll do the ʻukulele Hawaiʻi first, and then we'll go ahead and dive into the vocal melody and the strum. Okay. First line, He Mele O Lānaʻi. Okay. Kahuina li'i o na mokupuni. Okay, here we go. He Mele O Lānaʻi, kahuina li'i o na mokupuni. Okay, next 2 lines. Li'i ka mana'o me ka ʻolelo. Okay. Mea nui o na moku aina. Okay, here we go. Li'i ka mana'o me ka ʻolelo. Mea nui o na moku aina. Okay, great job. Next verse, kona pua ponoi ke kauna oa. Okay, ua oi kona ui mua ka lehua. Okay, this is actually one of the harder verses, but don't let that scare you. Kona pua ponoi ke kauna oa, ua oi kona ui mua ka lehua. Okay, great. Kawai ho'olu'u liki me ke kula. Okay, I know it says gula or G. You can say gula or kula. Either way, it's gold in Hawaiian.
I love gold.
Pili me kukuna o kala. Okay, here we go. Kawai ho'olu'u like me ke kula. Pili me kukuna o kala. All right, good job. Third verse. Ka mea nui o ke ia ailana. Ka halaka hiki e ho'ovaivai. Ka mea nui o ke ia ailana. Ka halaka hiki e ho'ovaivai. Okay, good job. E ho'okaulana oe I ko inoa. You're gonna have to squeeze that last section in all together. Oe I ko inoa. Imi ola no ka lehu lehu. Okay. E ho'okaulana oe I ko inoa. Imi ola no ka lehu lehu. Okay, good job. Last verse. Here we go. Ha'ina ia mai ana kapuana. Pumihana ko inoa a ola na'i. Okay. Ha'ina ia mai ana kapuana. Pumihana ko inoa a ola na'i. Okay, last 2 lines. Li'i oe ke aloha nui. He mana'o po ina ole. Li'i oe ke aloha nui. He mana'o po ina ole. Okay, now you guys made it. We're gonna go ahead and do the whole song straight through. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up just a little bit, but that's just so you can come back later and kind of like, you know, progress as you come back each time. Okay, here we go. Vamp in at the beginning, and we're gonna do at the end. We're just gonna do that simple chromatic run up. So, okay, C, C sharp, D, and that's how we'll end the song. Just gonna go ahead and do each verse once because there's 4 verses, okay? Here you go, you guys ready? All right, ramp it in. He Mele. He Mele ke ia aina o Lānaʻi, ka hui na liʻiliʻi o nā mokupuni, liʻiliʻi ka mana o me ka ʻōlelo, mea nui o nā moku aina. Kona pua pono I ke kauna oa, ua oi kona hui mua ka lehua, ka wai hoʻoluʻuli ke me ke kula, pili me kukuna o ka la. Ka mea nui o ke ia ailana, ka halaka hiki e hoʻohaiwai, e hoʻokahulana o I ko inoa, I miola no ka lehu. Haina ia mai ana ka puana, pumehana ko inoa a Lānaʻi, liʻiliʻi o e ke aloha nui, he mana o poina ole. All right, good job, you guys. You guys made it all the way through. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel week after week. I know I've said I've been wanting to get these out weekly, but it's a lot harder than it looks. You know, you gotta put in the work, learning the song, learning the material, learning the strum, making sure the ola Hawaiʻi is right, and then putting it all together in a presentation that I can get to you guys. But thanks for sticking with me. I'm gonna try to get them out sooner. If you want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. Be sure to check me out on all of my social media, Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter, all that stuff. Thank you everybody for subscribing to the channel. It really means a lot to me. And if you get a chance, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to comment down below if you have any future song recommendations. I'll be more than happy to take a look at. I'll see you guys on the next one. A hui ho, malama pono. See you guys again.